SoundHound, breaking news for you here. SoundHound, you're going to like this. Stick with me on this video, and I'm also going to tell you how you can win just by watching our video. $100 in cash paid out live on the show. 1 in 10 chance of winning. It's for real viewers, real members. Sorry, not members. It's open to everyone. It's completely free, but the bots and the scammers and the trolls will miss it every time. It's a perfect way for you to win money. We've made so much money this year. We want to give it back live on the show regularly. Stick with me, and later in this video I'll explain how you can win $100. Now then, SoundHound is up. Why is it up? Well, it's up because of CES tonight. We're going to cover that live. We're going to Las Vegas live tonight. This is the event. You cannot afford to miss it. All right, here it is. This is the event. The link for this event is below in the description, comments, and I'll give you the link above my head in a moment. It's Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, talking, but actually it will really be all about SoundHound as well. So I'll explain in a moment. Now, also, we're running a poll, which is what we call the Lucas Archie. It's on our community pages, on the homepage of our YouTube channel. We found a really, really accurate way to measure sentiment of where a stock is going, and it proves extremely reliable, way over 95%. The question I asked you was, will SoundHound break $30 leading into CES? 252 votes. This is only accessible and only votable by real investors, no bots, no scammers, no trolls, those that live in Reddit rooms in their mum's bedroom and stock twits. They don't notice this stuff. They don't see this stuff. They're just too busy trying to talk rubbish. As you can see, 54% of you have said yes, it will, and go to $30 during CES. Well, let's see. It's already risen now to $21. It's on the way up. So we'll see how that goes. Now, of course, you want to be prepared tonight, knowing when to trade, how to buy, when to buy, and so on and so forth. So I've got Sensei to do charts on SoundHound and NVIDIA and tell you what we're likely to expect from CES live in Las Vegas tonight. So what I've done is I put together this here. This is me sitting here live. If I wave my hands in the air, you will see this is me live sitting here right now in the studio behind the scenes. It's called the Extra Channel. But you'll see on the screen, we've got all these live indicators. There's like a 30-second delay, so it'll do it in a second. Anyway, what you'll see here is we're playing a live stream. We're playing some videos that we've put, there you go, there's my hands waving, look, about 30 seconds, of a all good to go. I've given you X and Instagram. If you want, Seeking Alpha and Alpha. We're doing all the technical charts for NVIDIA and SoundHound. This is going to run all day. It runs 24 hours a day. It's a place for our investors to talk together, predict what's happening tonight for NVIDIA and SoundHound, have a conversation. It runs 24 hours a day, and we've just put together a playlist of 4 videos. It's about 2 hours of content, which goes round and round and round, so you can hear all the technical charts from Sensei, and you can be prepared for tonight's event. Now, SoundHound also comes with a bit of extra news that I want to bring to you this morning. Let me bring it up right now. Here it is. This is the news I want to share with you. SoundHound news. AI is the big focus at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025. Now, we know the partnership and the deal with NVIDIA. We know that tonight NVIDIA is getting the attention, but however, it's also drawing with it our favorite stocks as well, SoundHound included. This is the event tonight, the world's biggest annual tech expo, the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, is kicking off in Las Vegas with more than 150,000 people in attendance. We're expecting 100,000, by the way, to join us live for this event, the biggest audience in the world, we believe. NVIDIA, the CEO, is speaking first. We're going to cover that live. And if you scroll down here, let's see, SoundHound is mentioned. There it is. Companies with a presence at the show. This is important. SoundHound is at the show. There, if I click on it, it's a bit difficult to do it the way it's laid out here. But anyway, there you go. Companies, I think you can just see my little mouse just going, look, there it is, just there. SoundHound, really, really important. That's why we keep talking about SoundHound tonight when it comes to the CES, even though Jensen is the keynote speaker tonight. So join us tonight. I did say if you watch later in this video, I'll tell you how you can win $100. What we're doing now, regularly on our show, at any moment, I'm going to spin the wheel. When I say spin the wheel, it's the first 10 people to phone in. The first 10 people to phone in, so it's a 1 in 10 chance. It's completely free to phone in. You just use a browser, live on the show, no technology required. I take care of all of it. You don't need to be a member. Anyone can phone in from anywhere in the world. I will spin the wheel, and whoever's in my chat, when I spin the wheel, I will give away $100 and it will randomly pick one of you, 1 in 10 chance, and we'll pay you live out in the show. All we ask from you is your XRP wallet so we can send you the money, and that is it. Live in the show. We're going to do that regularly in 2025. How exciting is that? So I told you it was worth watching to the end, right? Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I shall put the event for tonight, also the extra channel link so you can go and check out all the information with Sensei and all the technical charts so you're prepared for tonight. And also I will link to a video I've just recorded about I'm not buying any more stock this year. I'm fully in. I don't need to buy anything else. I'm done because the bear market is just around the corner, and we want everyone now, and they will. They'll keep buying because it's what lemmings and people do. They get excited. They'll keep buying and pumping up my positions. So I'm 15% up. Then when it pulls back 10%, I'm still up 5% from where I am today, and I'm in a good position. Then I can start buying again. I'm not buying now. I'm fully in. I'm always 6 to 12 months ahead of the game. That's what investors do, right? Above my head for all the links down below in the description, also pinned to the comments. Over here, I shall put the event for CES tonight. And down here, I shall put my psychology of investing. I've just recorded a new video which tells you my strategy of how I've beaten the market. I'm always ahead of the market. 19 trades, 19 wins, and my process for investing. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.